In recent days, two key reports have been circulating. The first concerns Japan's provision of drones to Thailand, China's provision of drones to Cambodia, and South Korea's sale of ammunition and aircraft to Thailand, allegedly as part of efforts to prepare for operations targeting Hun Sen and Hun Manet. The second report involves alleged plans by the Thai leadership to orchestrate an assassination against me and Prime Minister Hun Manet. If these two issues are not addressed or clarified, they could evolve into major problems in the future. Therefore, I would like to offer the following explanations. 1. On drones and military equipment. Regardless of where Cambodia or Thailand acquires drones or military equipment, the matter should not be exaggerated or extended into a conflict that goes beyond bilateral issues between the two countries, especially when these very countries are supporting efforts to end the conflict, advocating for a ceasefire, and promoting peace between Cambodia and Thailand. 2. On the alleged assassination plot. The notion that Thai leaders are planning to assassinate me and Prime Minister Hun Manet is extremely difficult to believe. Even if the Thai leadership dislikes or disapproves of me or Hun Manet, it is unthinkable that they would stoop to such an immoral level as to conspire to kill us. Historically, powerful generals have often been targeted for assassination to gain a strategic edge in warfare. However, today's era is different. We now seek dialogue and mutual understanding to build peace. Cambodia needs a strong Thai leader capable of engaging in peace negotiations. Likewise, Thailand needs a strong Cambodian leader, and currently, only Hun Sen and Hun Manet have the authority and capacity to engage in such talks. Among the two, Hun Manet is taking the lead in direct negotiations. Given this context, there is no rationale whatsoever for Thai leadership to plan the assassination of Hun Sen or Hun Manet. In fact, if either of us were truly killed at the hands of Thai leadership, it would certainly trigger the rise of tens of thousands, even millions of Hun Sens and Hun Manets across Cambodian soil, turning Thailand into an eternal enemy that would be impossible to appease. As for myself, and as for Hun Manet, we are not feeble frogs easily crushed. This is an additional explanation to affirm that Thai leaders are not planning the assassination of Hun Sen and Hun Manet. As for the claim that the Thai leadership's plan to assassinate Hun Sen and Hun Manet would involve the use of military aircraft, it is critical that the countries selling such aircraft to Thailand strictly enforce agreements on their proper use. In the past, Thailand has used aircraft purchased from the United States and Sweden to intrude deep into Cambodian territory. Cambodia does not object to Thailand's acquisition of military aircraft. However, we strongly urge that these aircraft not be used to conduct airstrikes into Cambodian territory, nor into the territories of Laos, Malaysia, or Myanmar, which are Thailand's neighboring countries.